Hello, students. In our previous class, we had read the story, half of the story, The White Elephant. It is written by Ruskin Poet. And we read that there was an elephant. He was called Rare, and her and his mother. They lived in a forest. His mother was old and blind, so the other animals stole her food that was gathered by his son. So the white elephant discovered a cave alone in a distant place, and they lived there happily together. But one day they heard loud cries coming from the great forest, and white elephant said that someone is in danger. I must go and see if I can help him. But his mother warned him not to go because he was more experienced than his son, and she says that your goodness will be rewarded by treachery because I know the ways of human beings towards us. But the white elephant couldn't bear to think anyone in trouble, so he hurried down to the direction of the cries. Then he found a stranger there. He was a forester, and he said that he had lost his way back home, and he had been lost for 7 days and nights in this forest. Then Elephant offered his help. He carried the man through the forest and left him on the outskirts of the city. But the forester was a greedy and cunning man. He knew that the king's favorite elephant had died. That is why, because of his greed, he straight away asked for a royal audience. And when the king heard, he was delighted to hear the description of the white elephant. And then he says, I would love to possess such a fine creature, means the white elephant. And he ordered to go with his most skillful trainers in the forest and capture rare white elephant. So the the forester went with the trainers, and just because he noted all the landmarks while riding back to Banaras, he was living in Banaras. So easily he found the white elephant, and at that time he was gathering bamboo stems for his mother's evening meal. And when the elephant saw the forester with the group of trainers, he realized that yes, his mother was right. He had been betrayed. He tried to escape, but the trainers pursued him and succeeded in capturing him. And then they took that elephant to Banaras and gifted it to the king. Okay, now we will move forward to the half of the story. What happened next? The poor mother elephant, waiting for her son to return, felt certain that he had been captured. And the mother of the elephant was waiting for her son that he would return. But when he didn't return, she realized that someone had captured his son. What shall I do without him? She cried. Who will bring me food and lead me to the lotus lake for water? Because he was old and blind. So he was thinking, if my son had captured, who will bring me food? Who will lead me to the lotus lake of water? The heart of her son was equally heavy. What will she do without me? He thought. If only I had listened to her advice. And now the elephant also was thinking about his mother. He was equally disturbed and equally in distress like his mother, but he thought he feel regretted because he didn't listen her advised. He was advised by his mother that don't go, my son. You don't know the ways of human beings towards us, but I know. But the white elephant didn't listen him. So he feels regret that yes, his mother was right. In spite of his unhappy look, the elephant found favor with the king, who declared he would ride no other animal. The elephant's stable was richly decorated in his honor, and the king rode him instead through the city. Stable means the place where an animal lives. So, just because he was unhappy, but he found a favor with the king, means the king was very good at herd, and the king declared that he would ride no other animals, means he would ride only on this white elephant. So the white elephant stable, as I told you, that it's a place where an animal lives. So his stable was richly decorated in his honor because king was about to come there. So the stable was decorated and king rode him straight through the city like this. King rode him throughout the city when he was riding on the white elephant. But a few days later, लेकिन कुछ दिनों के बाद क्या हुआ? The trainers came to the king in great distress, saying, Your Majesty, the white elephant is very sick and will eat nothing. But few days later, means after some days, the trainers came to the king and informed him that white elephant is very sick and he is not eating anything. The king hurried to the stable, and when he saw the elephant's look of despair means loss of hope, जब हम निराश हो जाते हैं, he said, Good animals, how you have changed. Why do you refuse to eat? Anything you wish will be granted to you. Because king was a good person. So when he heard that elephant is sick and is not eating anything, he hurriedly go to the stable and he saw that white elephant is very sad. He said, Good animal, because white elephant was a good animal. That is why he said, Good animal, how you have changed. Means you are doing everything very good, then how you have changed? Why do you refuse to eat? Why are you not eating anything? Anything you wish will be granted to you. If you have any wish, means if you want something, tell me, I will give you. It will granted to you. Okay? Great king answered the elephant mournfully, sorrowfully. जब हम दुख में रोते हैं ना, when we cry in sorrow, then it's called mourn. Great king, answered the elephant mournfully, all I desire is to return to my poor blind mother in the forest, for while she is alone and starving, how can I eat? Starving, suffering from hunger. When we die from hunger, then it is called starving. Then he said to the king, Your Majesty, because king asked the elephant for his wish. If he wants something, he will definitely give him. So the white elephant said, that yes, I have a desire. And what is the desire? My desire is to return to my poor, blind old mother that was alone in the forest. And she was alone and she is not able to collect food for her. She was not able to drink water. She was not able to go to the lake herself. And he must be starving. So, how can I eat? If my mother is hungry, how can I eat? Now the king was a good king, and although he badly wanted the elephant for himself, he said to once noble animal, "Your goodness puts mankind to shame. I give you your freedom to return to your mother at once." And now the king realized his mistake, and just because he was a good king and he was very worried about the white elephant. So when he heard that he wanted to go to her mother, his mother, and his mother is old and blind. So although he also loved the white elephant so much, but he did not think about himself. He said, "Animal, noble animals," because elephant was a good animal. That is why he said, "Noble animal, your goodness means you are so good that you put mankind to shame." That we are very ashamed. We human beings are very ashamed that for our greed, for our pleasure, we capture you and we snatch your freedom. So we are very ashamed. "I give you your freedom to return to your mother at once." And he said that you are free now and you can go back to your mother at once. The elephant thanked the king with a loud trumpeting and left the city and went crashing back through the forest. ट्रम्पेटिंग क्या होता है? जब जो जोर से जो आवाज़ करते हैं, साउंड ऑफ द एलिफेंट, जैसे साउंड ऑफ द मंकी होती है ना, चटर, तो वो जो साउंड ऑफ द एलिफेंट होती है वो होती है ट्रम्पेट, ठीक है? तो वो उसको थैंक यू कहना चाहता था. द एलिफेंट वांटेड टू थैंक द किंग, दैट इज़ व्हाई ही मेक अ ट्रम्पेटिंग साउंड एंड लेफ्ट द सिटी एंड वेंट क्रैशिंग बैक थ्रू द फॉरेस्ट. मीन्स ही at once he left the palace and returned to the forest. When he reached the cave, he found to his joy that his mother was still alive. And when he was returning, he was thinking that his mother has been starving so many days. Maybe he is not alive. But when he reached the cave, he found to his joy, means he was delighted to see that his mother was still alive. She is not dead. "Oh, my son," she said when he told her his story, "you should have listened to me. Human beings have always brought harm to our race." And when the elephant told the story about how he had been captured by the trainers and the forester, she said, "Oh, my son, I warned you. You should have listened to me. I know that human beings are always brought harm to our race." Means they always cheat us, they always hurt us. But what the elephant says that not all of them, mother, he said triumphantly. "The king is noble and generous, or I should still be in captivity." Captivity means imprisonment, in jail. And he said that, "Mother, not all of them, सारे ऐसे नहीं होते हैं." He said triumphantly, मतलब जब जीत होती है उसकी, तो वो कहता है वो जीत जाता है, मतलब उसकी माँ जो है वो कुछ हद तक सही है, लेकिन वो यहाँ पर आकर गलत हो जाती है. तो वो मतलब उसे लगता है कि जो उसने किया वो सही है, इंसान पे भरोसा किया जा सकता है. वो कहता है, "नो मदर, द किंग इज़ नोबल एंड जनरस." कि राजा बहुत ही ज़्यादा नोबल और जनरस है, अदरवाइज आई वुड स्टिल इन कैप्टिविटी, स्टिल इम्प्रिजनमेंट, स्टिल इन जेल. कि अगर वो अच्छे नहीं होते तो मैं अभी भी जेल में ही होता, मैं वापस कभी नहीं आ पाता. Let's forget the treachery of the forester and think only of the king's goodness. वो कहता है कि let's forget the treachery, मतलब whatever the forester had done, we should forget that, and we should think only the king goodness. So the moral of the story, there are many morals in the story. Firstly, we should not harm any animal, any creature. और जितना हमारा राइट है इस अर्थ के ऊपर, उतना ही एनिमल्स का भी राइट है इस अर्थ के ऊपर. वी टुगेदर वी आर शेयरिंग दिस मदर अर्थ, so we should not harm their freedom, we should not harm the animals for our greed, for our pleasure. And secondly, in every evil there is a hope, there is a light, there is a ray of goodness. Okay, हर एक बुरी चीज़ में कोई ना कोई अच्छाई होती है, तो हमें बुरा तो भूल जाना चाहिए और अच्छा हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए और दूसरों के लिए अच्छा करना चाहिए. तो दिस लेसन हैज़ बीन completed and now you have to find out exercise and question answers of this lesson. Okay students, bye bye.